What up guys, it's CJ, and I'm going to do this slow motion thing here with Booker T. Slow-mo Booker T, can you dig it, suckers? I show these videos to my friend, he said I talked too long, so let's just get down to it. Ready? And can you dig that the disc is spinning? Can you dig that? That was Booker T, everybody. Thanks for watching. Remember to comment and like, and feel free to subscribe to my channel. Redneck Rockstar, RNRS, out.